Shot 21 here. We're about ready to start the reassembly. I haven't cleaned anything up yet. I'll do that next. I got most of the parts in the mail. I will explain what parts I haven't gotten yet. There should be a package here with more. Let me go check that before we switch over to the parts. So let's go through them now. Okay, so these are all from, I think, Transmission Parts Warehouse. They have various kits. This kit, at the time of filming, was about $420. They shipped free. The couple things I'm missing that this kit didn't come with are some of the snap rings, because I want to replace those. A TF Shift Kit Junior, because I want to put that in here because the current one has that and I like it. The torque converter, which I'll order shortly. I'm going to try to get some more fluid out of the one I've got. And then we've got, well, let's start, because these are going to go back in the box. So this is the governor pressure solenoid, and the governor pressure transducer. Those go hand in hand with this, which is the overdrive and torque converter lockup solenoids, as well as the wiring harness connected to the Jeep. And this one goes to the governor pressure sensor. And I can hear you say, but sharp shot, that's rectangular, that's an oval. Clearly they're different, they're the wrong ones. Yes and no. So this transmission is out of a 96. The one that we just tore apart is from a 96. So it uses this older style, more robust, more reliable governor pressure sensor and temperature transducer. That is not the greatest one for reliability. This transmission, as a result, doesn't have a clip on the governor solenoid hold down bracket to hold the more modern style transducer in. There are a couple of places. I think the one I got is from BD Diesel. I'll put a link. That converts the old style to the new style. They sell just the harness with its own thermistor, because the thermistor is different. Or they sell, you know, the harness and the transducer. Since I'm doing everything, I got new both, especially due to the state of that solenoid. Now these are some bushings, because the bushings on the shift shafts are gone, need replaced. I'll put a link for those. Filter for a 96 model transmission. Clutches and steels. Or, well, steels are here. These are Alto steels. And these are the Alto red clutches. We've got a big stack of bushings of various types. Some we'll use, some we won't. This bushing kit works for any A500 or A500 base. So that's an A500, a 40, a 42, a 44. I don't think they work in a 48 or 46. Got a new front band, just because I didn't trust the one that it came with. We're going to keep the rear band, because that one actually looks in good shape. And then in here we've got a bunch of seals, gaskets, grommets, and I think that's a dipstick tube bushing. We've got a direct clutch inner lip seal. That's handy. This is all sorts of sealing rings and wipers for various bits and pieces on here of solenoids. We've got the shift shaft seal, the valve body screen, a couple versions of the solenoids, seals, the TV valve seal,